Subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problem. So here you can see it, our challenge require when you use your Instagram. So how you can fix it? So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find Wi-Fi. Just open Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so just go to mobile data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second, and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And also you can try to update your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it was successful installs the latest update for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.